Take a step towards securing your dream stay in the city of Sheffield by choosing this student accommodation. With St Vincents Place, you are provided a choice between a personal studio room for complete privacy or an ensuite room if you don't mind sharing the kitchen and living area with your flatmates. St Vincent's offers an extremely safe as well as comfortable stay for students to come and experience their student life to the fullest. Apart from the amenities, the eye-catching feature of this property is the beautifully restored Victorian church that features sofas, a cinema, a pool table, a table football, a music room, meeting rooms, and a quiet study area for you to focus on after having some fun. The area in which the property is located is worth exploring. You can head to Kelham Island, which is one of Sheffield's most exciting areas, and is well known for the city's amazing food, drink, and entertainment. The University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam campuses are just a 10-minute walk away, making this a perfect place for students who are looking to avoid long traveling hours. So, end your wait for lovely student accommodation in Sheffield. Get in touch with us at amberstudent.com and book your room today.